The Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro are expected to launch early, around April-May 2026, featuring significant performance and battery upgrades. The Xiaomi 17T could run on the Dimensity 8500, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9500 chip. It will feature a triple rear camera setup led by an OmniVision OV50E sensor. It will be joined by an OmniVision OV13B sensor and a Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, handling ultra-wide and telephoto duties. There's also mention of a Samsung ISOCELL S5 KKDS sensor for selfies. The Xiaomi 15T used a 50MP Light Fusion 800 main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. It also featured a 32MP selfie camera. The Xiaomi 17T is also expected to flaunt a 6500 mAh battery. The charging speed remains unchanged at 67W. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.